How reliable is a car that's running double its factory power on a stock engine? And how good would it be at drag racing? But that's something I've always wanted to do with my Meth injected Golf R.
And today, guys, we are here at Santapod with the Golf R, and finally we can do a bit of drag racing. But what we really need to hope is that it doesn't go wrong.
Wow. Oh no! Oh, no.
In this video, we're going to be aiming for a sub 11-second time, and some of the tactics we're going to use to get that time down are weight loss, methanol, drag tyres and octane booster, along with some tips from my friend and drag race expert Will at VRS Performance.
Will, we're finally at Santapod in the Golf R. We've done a whole day yesterday where we prepped the car ready for today.
Yeah, we did a few bits, then we did clean the air filter and the pipe work out, a few bits like that, checked it over, make sure nothing's going to fall off. We've got some drag tyres that we're going to try. We tried those on, they all fit, they don't hit anything. So we're just really ready for you to do a baseline run.
This is an announcement for
and that's
all
Chiro.
media.
Chiro!
Have access to everyone.
So basically we want you to do a baseline run and we'll try and improve your time so that and teach you a little bit about how you stage the 60 foot when you launch. Depending on what tyres you're on, depends on how hard you want to launch. We'll drop the pressures in the tyres, see if that makes a difference. Do lots of little things. It's no extra power, it's as you bought it and as it was given back to you originally from us. So it's 535, it's been dynoed to someone else at 535. So we've not touched it power-wise. And obviously you're running the Meth still, so that will help with temperatures. We're just going to try and do a little bit of chassis work with tyres and pressures to try and get you off the line better, to give you that better time. Because the time is in the 60 foot. So.
Problems. Are you expecting any problems today? Because obviously we know the last time this car done a big hoon up a drag strip, it blew up, didn't it?
Wow. Oh no! Oh no. What does that mean? Oh, that was on the top speed run with Arthur and Nick, wasn't it?
That's it, yeah.
So they were at
VMAX, was it?
VMAX, that was it, VMAX. And they were there and then they'd put ethanol in the tank, and obviously I think probably a little bit too much, and then it didn't have all the security bits, safety bits on there, and they just tried to do a top speed run. Nothing wrong with that, but I think it just obviously went lean and then it died the engine.
Wicked. All right, so let's go and do our first baseline run and see how well it does.
Yeah.
The plan is to do a total of 10 runs, and throughout those runs make subtle changes to the car with hope that we get into them 10s.
It is such a warm day. I can't believe how hot it is today. It's actually quite nerve-wracking.
Have your window up, please, mate.
Yeah, no worries, mate. So you can see the lights there pre-staged and then we're staged. Oh my God! That is amazing! Oh, that felt like a really good run. That felt for the first run. That was amazing, it was so grippy. It was, oh wow, wow. This car is so impressive, it is so impressive.
An incredible start to the day, 11.0948 at 123 miles per hour.
It done really well, I think.
Yeah.
I'm actually well impressed with that as the first run. If anything, it's a bit of a problem. I've set myself a bit of a tough benchmark now.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah, that is what it's all about. Cool, so what do you reckon now then?
Right, go on. Do you want to go and do another one?
Should I do another one?
As is, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do another one, all right.
Okay, go and do another one.
Straight on it.
So after the result we had on run number 1, hitting them 10s is looking like it's going to be a breeze already. But then I done run number 2 and...
That's it again.
11.1115. That one was slower. But it was at this point we noticed the Meth injection wasn't working. So we've kind of noticed that the Meth level hasn't gone down, which means we've probably not been running Meth all day, which is a good thing and a bad thing. It's bad that, you know, there's maybe something going wrong with the Meth. But Will's sorting it out now. And on the plus side, we'll now be running with Meth, which should keep the engine cooler, which should also make us faster. So let's hope Will can sort it. Luckily, Will managed to get the Meth working again, so we then attempted run number 3.
That's it. Come on! We've got it, we've got it! Come on, fastest run of the day! That was fast, man! It's such an exciting experience! Wow!
Annoyingly, I didn't get off to the best start, 11.3400, and run number 4. 2426. So far, the first one is the fastest. I think it's time we tried them drag tyres.
So road tyres on a prep track can become greasy when they get warm.
Yeah.
So that's why a little bit more spin off the line.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is, because the car's launching really well,
Yeah.
but you're just not getting the traction. So what we're going to do is going to put the drag tyres on.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to run the drag tyres at a super low pressure yet.
Yeah.
Just to see, because we don't want them too low, because the car, you'll lose speed at the end and the car will get a bit wavy.
Okay.
Not scary wavy, just feel a little bit weird. So what we'll do, run a higher pressure, just to see what traction you get off the line.
Yeah.
See what difference that makes now, and then we can just slowly drop the pressures to get you.
Wicked.
And if we need to do a 10 now, because I mean, you've just proven the car straight away is, you know, it's capable. So now we just need to get that traction.
Wicked.
If you did, we could potentially launch it at a lower RPM, which would probably give you better traction off the line. Well, that's boring, so we're not doing that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. So let's get the drag tyres on then. Yeah.
So for run number 5, we're up against Ben in his Ferrari 488 Pista, which Kai really wanted me to beat.
That's it. We're off. Wow! That was sick. Oh, sorry, Ben. No, man. He looks like he's done something wrong. He's hitting his helmet. He's annoyed with himself about something. He's clapping his hands, but I'm proud of the Golf R. That car is without a doubt faster than this car, but getting that car off the mark when you're under all that pressure as well, being rear-wheel drive, this is four-wheel drive, it's on drag tyres. It was kind of an unfair race in so many ways, but I am so happy with how that run went, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that was my fastest run of the day. Let's go find out. This Golf R is sick, man. This car is absolutely sick. By the way, for those that don't know, if you want to be in for a chance of winning this car for completely free, yeah, I'm giving it away on Planet of Dreams again. So get on it and enter. I'll link Planet of Dreams in the description below, all right? Kai?
You won!
You sick, wasn't it?
You won!
I won. I beat the Ferrari, Kai.
What the hell?
Sick.
You don't understand how happy I was after you and I was jumping around.
Really? That's sick. Oh, that's good, Kai. I'm happy, man.
And that's it, the fastest run of the day so far, guys. 11.0631 seconds at 123.07 miles an hour. So we're still not in the 10s, but the tyres have definitely helped us a lot. There is, of course, still two tactics we've not pulled out of the bag. One of them is weight loss, and the other one is octane booster. Let's try a bit of octane booster for run number 6.
That's the fastest one of the day.
No way, it is slower, 11.1667 seconds. This is now getting a little bit frustrating.
Come on! Come on! Surely we've done it! He's calling me, Will's calling me. Hello?
11:08.
No, I can't believe it.
For run number 8, Will decided to drop the tyre pressure slightly, which should hopefully give us better traction off the mark.
Come on. Feels so fast, this car.
11.1009. It's now time for some weight loss. I suggested to Will that we take the drag tyres off and go back to normal road tyres. He then made a few tweaks on his computer, and you wouldn't believe what we discovered in the boot.
Hold on, we're filming on the phone because we've just pulled up the boot floor.
Someone's fitted this down. I didn't even see that.
Oh my god! So Will's just
weighs a ton, man, and we're like 11.00 swapping tyres, messing about with meth, and
it's got a boot build of some kind that we didn't know about. So this car's obviously been through other hands over the last year or so. It's actually got a bass speaker in it. Shows how much I listen to music because I didn't even know. So we'll take that out. The meth is definitely working now because it's running low. Take that out, take the boot floor carpet out, and hope that this time, this has got to be the run, Will. This has got to be the one.
Now it's time for run number 9. This time we're up against a big power tuk-tuk.
That is my fastest run. That is definitely my fastest run. I won. Yeah.
That took is fast though, man.
Yeah, that is fast.
He almost had you.
Dude, I almost had you.
He was literally the whip of 2 of your cars.
So it was clear that Kai was getting into this whole racing stuff, and he'd spent most of his day on a racing sim at the event. So a few days after the event, Dan from Wheel Stand Racing suggested that we should surprise Kai after school one day with his very own racing sim setup at home.
So we've got the racing sim all set up, looking good. Got the camera set up as well, look. There's me. Kai's just arrived, go get him.
Oh.
Look Kai, you've got your own racing setup
He was.
in your bedroom.
What? Oh wow.
Thanks to Dan and Chiro, Kai. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you've got your Xbox set up to it.
And Kai, so this happened, we planned this even before the Santa Pod day.
No,
So then when you turned up to Santa Pod and like, oh, that is so good, that is so cool, we were like, all right, we're definitely making it happen.
Kai is over the moon with his racing sim, and he's not got off it since. Big thanks to Dan at Wheel Stand Racing. I'll link his website in the description below. If anyone out there wants a racing sim, definitely give him a shout. He's been manufacturing and selling racing sims for over 10 years now, and he's just an all-round lovely guy. Now let's go back to the drag strip to see how the Golf are done on run number 9.
Did we get in the 10s, Will?
It was a fast run, but not fast enough. 11.0988. I can't believe it. With only one run left to go, the only thing we can blame at this stage of the day is the heat, and Will suggested that we let the car cool down. After an hour or so of waiting, we attempted our final run of the day. Surely this was going to be the fastest one of the lot. And this is it. The big moment. I've just collected my timesheet with all my times from the day and
the run we just done, yeah? The final run of the day, guys. Can I read out the time there? What does that say? Read it out loud to this lot.
10.8.
10.8973, guys. We got beyond the 11, we got into the 10s. The Gold Bars absolutely smashed it all these years later on my channel, still breaking records. Incredible car. Big shout out to Will at VRS. Will, just done a final run. Just done the final run, and we've done 10.897, mate. You said let it cool down and you'll do it in the 10s. We've done it, so yeah, job done. Wicked. Yay! Yeah. We let it cool down for a couple of hours and then smashed it, man. So yeah, well done. Wicked end to the day. 10.897. So just below 10.9. Well into the 10s, yeah, it's wicked. Nah, I'm going home. I'm done. I'm done.